sitting
Okay, I
there.
have no time for this, okay? Alam mo, I'm in a lose-lose situation.
I don't have
Because
time. I don't have time for you as well.
Because as you said,
Yeah.
positive personality.
No, we were sitting there and you were standing in front
No.
of me.
Why don't you talk to Danny?
I was asking.
Why don't you talk to Danny?
I'm not talking to you, kid, so don't shut up.
Hey, you don't do that. Lay off my kids. 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 Lay off my kids.
I'm not touching you.
Yan na naman, yan na naman.
Why are you abusing a girl? What's the problem, dude?
Tama na, anak.
Fuck off!
Tama na.
Fuck off!
Tama na.
They say anything back.
He said, shut up to my sister, dude. What the hell is your
No,
problem?
tama na.
I said, what the fuck, not fuck you.
Tama na.
Fuck, not you. You said, shut up to my sister.
You know,
What the hell is your problem?
it's not.
You said, kid. You said, kid. Get the fuck out of here, dude.
Okay. There's no need.
Shut up to my sister.
There's
It's my
no
family.
need to clear it up. There's no need. Tama na. No. Don't do that to
Don't
my...
test my patience.
Don't do that to my...
Test my patience.
Yan na naman tayo. Lahat na naman yan. Naka-YouTube si Doris Picola. Alam mo yun eh. Alam mo yun. You purposely did that because I'm Doris Picola. What the hell?
That's a waste of time.
Tapos YouTube niyo ako. Ano yun? You're so
You knew
unfair.
that.
You knew that? Bakit ka magdalabi? Ako, Diyos ko naman na. Tama na.
You understand it?
Okay lang, kawawa yung anak niya.
Alam mo.
Kawawa yung anak niya. Kawawa yung anak
So
niya.
next time, watch Alea Salonga
Kawawa yung
concert.
anak niya, dude. Come on.
No, next time, watch Alea Salonga concert. Or better yet, Blackjack. What? Sino? Sino? Hindi nakapipino. Sino sa pika?